freeze. Nobody move. We've got another song, another dance that we're going to do. So remain standing. Don't sit down. These are the 5 things that you are going to need to know. You're going to need to know how to freeze. So should everybody freeze? Again. Again. That's number 1, freeze. Number 2, fly. Now, are you going to fly around the room? Of course not. Make sure you're always able to touch your chair. So go behind your chair and touch it. And you can do flying right behind your chair. So this is fly. It's number 2. Number 3, march. Always being able to touch your chair, right? Number 4, shake. And number 5, tiptoe. You can still touch your chair, right? Tiptoe. Let's practice. Freeze, fly, march, shake, and tiptoe. Here we go.